Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Google colab.research.google.com notebook secure page, which is this page here. And basically, this is provided by Google for free for people to do collaboration, especially for teaching and development. So this is very nice environment. It's a very nice interface, like a Jupyter notebook. But you're welcome to practice it like I'm doing it right now. You can see this one, I'm using the pound in front of this one. So if I just leave this one echo command, basically it is running the Linux command echo command here, and it is going to give me this URL of the actual web page that is opening the notebook. So you're welcome to just go to your Google account, log in, and open a notebook, and then start practicing Python or Linux. So without further ado, let me just show you, for example, how to get system information from Google. And just as you can see, the first line was just doing this echo, and then line 1 through 12 is as a result of this cat command with cat -n for line number, etc OS release. And you can see that we're running Ubuntu 18.04 long-term support. Thanks for joining us.